Hey guys, I am Nikki of Nikki and Eric, and today I am going to be showing you what $500,000 will buy you in Nashville. If you find value in this video, if you enjoy seeing our content, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. About maybe 1.5 miles from Broadway. So if you are familiar with Nashville, that is where all the honky tonks are, all the people out there singing, just hoping and praying to get their big record deal. So we are about 1.5 miles from there right now where we stand. And we actually sold this house for full price. Technically we sold it for $529,000. So basically $500,000, a little bit more than. So $500,000 in pretty much downtown Nashville. And this is what it's gonna get you. Come on in. Hasn't had its final clean yet, so you might see some dust and some, construction equipment laying around. So just have some grace on us. But I wanted to show you around and show you a few trends here in Nashville and show you, of course, what $500,000 will buy you. So you walk in the front door and you pretty much walk right into your kitchen. Now, the really cool thing about these houses, this plan, we've done it 3 times, is there is a ton of storage. So right here by your front door, this could be your pantry, it could be your coat closet, who knows, whatever you wanted. But it goes back so far. This house is such good storage. But here's our kitchen. We did the waterfall island here, and then we also took this quartz, the Carrara quartz, and we took it up the wall for the backsplash. And we went with the super trendy black cabinets. Everybody's loving black cabinets right now. Something that we kind of took a risk on was chrome. I know people are all about some matte black and some gold, and if you've seen our past videos, you know how I feel about some gold. I love it. But I went with chrome here, and it really worked, so I was really happy with that. In here also, we did a custom shiplap hood because even though we are in like the downtown modern area, we're still kind of country. We still like our shiplap. Of course, a gas stove. If you've ever cooked on a gas stove, you know it is worth every single dime you'd ever pay for it. So we try to do those in all of our properties that we're able to. This house, of course, does have a really nice gas stove. And we always put in our properties, we put our refrigerators, and not ours, but Frigidaires, but we always put a nice refrigerator, a microwave. We try not to do a ton of microwaves above the stove, just to kind of make it look a little bit nicer, and do a more custom hood like we did here. But of course, we always include our appliances, and we have our dishwasher in the kitchen. We of course love an open space, so we have the dining room in here, again, with the chrome light fixture. Love it. Something else we have really found in this past year with the pandemic is everybody's working from home, as you know, because you're probably working from home as well. So even though this technically could be a 4th bedroom, we're just gonna have it as a closet. I didn't mean a closet, I meant an office. You have to have a closet in a room for it to count as a bedroom. So we of course did add a closet in here, but basically this would be advertised as an office. Something else that I love to do in a property, and I recommend doing whenever you can, is a pocket door. So this office bedroom also has its own little attached bath and a pocket door. Isn't that cute? We have the bathroom in here, and that's a full bath. Of course, you have to have a place for your guests to go to the bathroom when they're over, and this is a prime location. But also, it does have the tub in there, so it's a full bath on the main floor with the bedroom, which is always a huge perk when you're selling a house. Now, kind of back into the main living area, right off of the kitchen is our very large living room. It's kind of echoey. We also, again, with those chrome light fixtures, look so good. And you'll also notice in here, we have concrete floors. So we have found when we do slab foundations, it's easier just to do a concrete floor because you already have the concrete poured. So we just, of course, do it a little differently, and we polish it and make it look really good. but concrete floors are very, very popular here, on the main floor at least. When we go upstairs here in a second, you'll see that we transition into a wood. And also on our stairs, we do a wood tread, of course, to match the wood that is upstairs. So let's go upstairs. So downstairs, you'll notice that the floor is in the bathroom. It's super cute, and it's that small little hex penny tile on the floor with the little black and white prints in it. I definitely get things wrong sometimes, and I was like, how cool would that look in like a larger pattern in the laundry room floor upstairs? So we did it, but it looks like a soccer ball, and I will not do it again. So look at this. I mean, it's fine, it works, but definitely not my favorite thing I've ever done. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, and it's super echoey, sorry. So in here is the master bedroom. And then something I always do, because I'm a practical type of girl, always put a fan in a bedroom. I would have a fan in a bedroom over a chandelier any day. So if you buy one of our houses, unless you say otherwise, you're getting a fan in your master bedroom. All right, in here is, I like to hide these light switches. And here is the master bath, and you can see my mom actually helped me pick out some of this stuff, and she loved this floor. And I think it looks really cool with the white cabinets and the black countertops. It really looks neat. I liked it. It tied all together, so good job, Mom. But in here you'll see we have the double sinks. We have a kind of a classier light fixture going on. And I love natural lighting, especially in the bathroom. You'll see some of these cute little random windows in our properties, and I love them. Now this master shower, of course, like I've said before, I think master showers are meant to be huge and large, and we're really seeing a trend in that. So you can look in here, a big old shower. Again, when possible, always do a pocket door. Where are the light switches? All right, so master bedroom, and then we have, right off the master bedroom, we have the laundry room / soccer ball area, and then you'll walk down this way, and then you have bedrooms. So come on in here. So these are your secondary bedrooms. Of course, remember these are still under construction, so there might be some screens laying out. But come in here, and there is a Jack and Jill bath. Now, I love a Jack and Jill bath, especially if you have kids or if you have roommates or whatever the situation is. Both of them share it, and you don't ever have to worry about it. My girls had a Jack and Jill bath. Oh, it was lovely. It was like that bathroom didn't exist because it was just in their little rooms and they shared it. No one else ever saw it. Of course, these light fixtures are hidden, not the light switches. To save on costs, we just did the same tile and the same the same tile above the tub and on the floors as we did in the master. So we went with the larger white subway tile, the same floor that Mom picked out that I really like, and the black and white theme in here. Again, you'll notice 3 pocket doors. Doors can be really tricky on the swings and which way they go when you are in a tight space, kind of like this Jack and Jill bath. So pocket doors come in clutch. They literally go into the wall and it's like there's no door there at all. So highly recommend them, especially if you're trying to save on some space. And then in here, again, with the fan in the bedroom, this is another bedroom. This is our 3rd bedroom upstairs. Something that I always like to do, and I think if you're buying $500,000 house, you probably, are in need of a nice closet. So even in our secondary bedrooms, you will not find any wire hangers at all. So this is just a bedroom for like a roommate or a kid or a spare room, but you'll see our nice wood shelves. That's just a little extra nice touch that we like to do on properties that a lot of builders don't do. But like I said, if you're buying $500,000 worth of property, you deserve some wood shelves. And that pretty much concludes the upstairs of our new build. But I do want to show you the backyard because it's probably my favorite part. All right, Now, my favorite part, the backyard. So when you're in downtown of any city, you're probably gonna have a smaller piece of property just because, you know, land is so scarce in a big city. But these have wonderful backyards and they're fenced in, and they have this really cool carport with a garage that lets you into your backyard to park on the pad in the back. Come look at it. So you'll see there is a, one of the worker guys is here right now, but you just open up the garage and you literally pull into your backyard and close your garage. And your car is nice and safe in a fenced-in fence. And you can let your dog out here and sit and enjoy your backyard. But this backyard, the fan, the stained wood up there, it's wonderful. I mean, this is a little slice of heaven in downtown Nashville, in my opinion. So guys, this is what $500,000 buys you in downtown Nashville. What do you think? Would you live here? I think I'd live here. Let us know. Leave a comment and of course subscribe, like our show, like our channel, whatever this thing's called, and let us know how we're doing. And also, what would $500,000 buy where you live? I know in like California, it would not buy much at all. So I'm always interested to see what it would buy. Let us know.